Paturintie forest is 8. Turenki, Janakkala, Finland. You can also watch the stakes here. 6 floors built in 1975. Timber says 32378. US takes photos on 29 grams. This is one of the most vandalized elevators I've seen.
Same.
Almost as much as in the Pasila, that old one before.
Yeah.
Yeah. Too much of graffiti, I remember.
Yeah.
And it's like neglected, so they haven't cared about deleting the graffiti.
Yeah.
This doesn't have the light.
Yeah.
Button lights.
Yeah. This bike is can't maintain the bike Kone.
But we have the code say they didn't matter so much.
Yeah.
But it is annoying, of course. It's difficult.
Yeah.
Back to the ground floor. Interesting sounds.
Yeah.
I know that something tape is like touching the wall. You know?
Yeah.
It's a wonder it hasn't been that much replaced yet because it's so vandalized.
Yeah. That's